Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2015 Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your heated front seats, as well as your Bluetooth connectivity. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2015 Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you'll see your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And then if we take a closer look just at the second row, as you can see, you have two additional seats, but you can also have a third seat located in the center here, which I'll show you where it's stored later on in the video. Third and second row windows are going to have the sunshade visors just so it can block out some of that sun. Close button will be located just on the inside of the door. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids or possibly yourself getting your arm or hand jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that because it does offer the jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And then just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is pre-dawn gray. Now taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your light gray cloth interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on the left hand side, you have your traction control on and off, and then on the inside of the driver's side door you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, scroll function for the multi-informational display with your cruise control. And then taking a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you have a couple of different features. So when you hit the display button, you'll see your fuel economy as well as your settings menu, just so you can personalize everything for yourself. A distance to empty, exterior temperature gauge with your odometer reading. And taking a closer look just at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside the apps menu, you'll find your audio phone, messages, eco, and a couple of other additional features as well. Hazard lights, temperature control settings located down below with your rear temperature controls just located underneath that, matted to an automatic transmission. Heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB and auxiliary input with your power outlets just located above and below. If you take a look, you have your auto-dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, and then you'll also find the open and close for the power sliding rear doors, sunglass case holder, and then taking a closer look just at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located just on the left hand side, you'll find the backup camera and the rear hatch release located just underneath. Now closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for your third row. So in the event that you need the additional space or if you need the additional passenger capacity, it is available to you. Now if you want to know how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there. But even with this 40 side down, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below here. And if you take a look just on the left hand side, this is where that additional middle seat from the second row is going to be stored if you're not using it. However, if you are using it, then it acts as additional cargo space for you. If you take a look on the right hand side, you have that power outlet. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.